Kobe too. Yeah, Kobe. We might be doing a video, like another video today, but we have to make each other laugh. Like make each other laugh, like sing songs and don't drop it, you gonna get a thing in there. Like the cat hit. What if we threw it in there? What if we threw it in there? What if we threw it in the plate? And I'll be like, what is wrong with my pen? It's yours? Because I know it's nobody else's. I know. Well, it's a cat. I'll give it to you today. Huh? I don't know. Do you have fun at Disneyland? Yeah, but the worst part. What's my phone? Oh, they haven't done Disneyland? Okay, so let me tell you the whole story. Okay, so first, it was in your mom's pocket and it got flooded and it got wet and it broke. To make a long story short. That was sad. Like, I was about to cry. I was like, and I had it was so scary though. It was like, I thought we was gonna run into like,
the car one? Oh, that one?
Yeah. I was like, and then we stopped. And then there was a man right there. And something kept spitting at me. Okay. But it wasn't nobody. It was something kept spitting at me.
What happened? Get in here before it broke.
Yeah, that was scary. Like, Jordan, where you about to go? In the back.
All the way?
In the back. The back house.
Yeah.
What you call it, Kobe?
And we can record.
Oh yeah, we're gonna. Well, we need a charge.
I have my phone.
So we can do it on our YouTube channel. I need to feel bad. I'm sorry. Let me go. Let me go take a photo. Well, the last time I really did. Jordan, we'll go back there with you. It's sticky. It smells like my lotion. Yeah, Marcus, right here again. What's this? They don't know.
Jordan. You know what?
Yeah, you know what?
How you gonna get a box?
The older they get, the more shit they
Gonna
talk.
get boom, bada,
Man.
boom, bada, boom, bada,
They
boom.
the older you get.
I know, like, it looks so calming. Like, when I get my, like, on eBay, I'm gonna be selling cloud time, so if you want it like this, I don't want it anymore, so
I'm gonna be selling some too.
yeah. So we can get that. Money. Yeah,
Get millions of dollars.
and our slime shop name is Salvo Slime Shop. That's our last name. We should really do. little girl in the back seat and a girl in the front seat. My mom. And she stopped. She was like, okay, so I said, come on, let's back up, let's go now. I was like,
They didn't get no far.
I just dropped one on the, I just dropped her on the street. I was like,
Give my money. You got your money? She didn't get the car?
no.
How did you do
I
that?
threw it in the driveway. She was like, Liza. She was like, what? She was like, what? She was like, no. She was like, get it. So she was like, Liza, I don't care.
You got scared?
So what? And my mom was right there trying to buy the water. She didn't say nothing.
You act like you finna get snatched up. Yeah?
Wait, no, it's Thursday. Thursday. Yeah, so me and Mama was playing basketball. In the car. One like that. Keep coming back and forth. I was like, if this car come back one more time, we go in the house. We did? Yep. We went in the house. Okay, and then we played Uno and stuff. The car didn't pass by anymore. I was like, okay, good.
You got scared?
I was shaking.
They're probably looking at you.
And then their mom said, oh, they're probably just looking for directions. It was a man.
Looking for a what?
For directions. The man was like this at Amy. He was like this.
No,
No, he did. Yes, he did.
No, that's scary. What do you do?
No, he didn't do that. He didn't do that. He was like this. I can't do this.
You were like,
You look like my mama. And then, no, man, he wasn't going like that. He was like this.
No, I saw that nigga my bank account one day. That nigga was like, after that nigga wanted to say
I got my money back. This cost $1,000 if it's got $10,000 if you guys want a whole batch. If you guys want a whole
like,
batch.
it's bigger than a whole house. Look.
But we don't have.
You want to see our bank?
that's fire.
Okay, so we. Our money that you guys give us is in our bank account.
Wait.
What you got? Let's mix it all together. Are you guys ready?
We can just rip it back apart and then.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. Ready? If you guys want a whole batch of this, or like
100 ounces.
yeah, 100 ounces. That's 155,000. That's $1,000. So yeah,
1,000 ounces.
if you guys want 1,000 ounces,
It's $1 million.
How did they do that? I can't do it. So our flight shop made.
You do this? He did that thing with the
Wait, you don't know this. He was camping.